a kid's study, an adult study, a Zoom nook, and so much more. Guys, this is the Brookshire plan by Coventry Homes in Parkside on the river, and it is a stunner. So hold on to your seats and buckle up. We're going to go check out this beautiful plan. Now, right out of the gate, there is that stunning study that the adults get to enjoy. We have a second level that you walk up the steps, cross over, and then you have that view both to the entry and down into this living space right here. Super tall ceilings. We're shooting probably for 20-foot ceilings in this house. I have to look and see exactly what the specs say, but it is beautiful. You have those black windows there. You have your transom windows above, and just a massive and beautiful, expansive view across this lovely common area, this living space, into this just gorgeously finished kitchen. Now, we're looking at a kitchen that is really on point right now with, what's trending. We're seeing a lot of neutral wood. We're seeing a lot of white. We're seeing those tapering hood vents that are, getting away from some of the stainless that you see regularly. And yeah, there's just a whole lot of on point, a lot of really trending finishes in this particular property here. Now, this is something that has really become more common since COVID. This is called a Zoom room or a recipe station. A lot of folks are doing this as like a little Zoom nook where you come and do a little Zoom. There's nice, bright, beautiful light that comes in right from the window, so your lighting is really good, and you have a little door behind you, but it's a nice little space where you can just pop open the computer and just get into there. If your office is a mess, then you don't have to worry about cleaning up a door. The door is behind you in that Zoom room look. So it's a smart little finish that the Coventry folks did on this plan. Now, this plan is 3,098 square feet, so 3,098 square feet. It's a 4-bed, 4-bath. I can't wait to show you the kids' study upstairs. So stick with me. We're going to go up there, and I'm going to show you the coolest layout I've seen in a long time upstairs. Look at this amazing suite. You have those square windows above the headboard. Just let in, again, more light. It's a beautiful backyard on this model. And just know that this particular house, you're going to see a variety of price points on this guy. But we are in the Parkside, and just know that this plan is negotiable. There's a lot of room right now that they have to negotiate. So also, I wanted to kind of walk through some of the amenities. So just enjoy some of the kind of walkthrough here. But as we are looking over this room, this owner suite here, I wanted to walk you through some of the amenities that were in the immediate area. So there are 2 phases for Parkside on the River, which is phase 1 is a pool with pickleball courts and so many little features, so many cool little amenities. There's a second phase coming in, and that's going to have a second pool, and I believe that second phase is right in front of the models now. So where all this model is, that street, right across the street in a little cul-de-sac, they're going to have all of the second phase. And this community is right next to Gary Park, which is it's kind of a gated amenity facility with equestrian features. It's got hike and bike trails. I think it's a splash pad, pools. There's a ton of stuff. It's a beautiful outdoor facility that you can do. I think there's a venue there. There's a lot of cool things you can have, like a pavilion. It's a beautiful area, and you have to pay to access it, but it's a beautiful access. Plus, this area is really, really close to Georgetown. This community is in Georgetown, but this Georgetown Square is not far away. And that Georgetown Square, guys, it was ranked one of the top, I'd say one of the cutest. I think it's one of the cutest town centers or city squares in Texas, if not the U.S. It's really cute. And my wife and I like to go down there. One of the wineries that we're members at is right there on the corner. And they passed a law some years ago where you can walk around with a glass of wine and some open container. And we just get a glass of wine on the curb and pick up our wine and just have a little glass of wine, free glass of wine with our membership, and just enjoy the town square. It's beautiful. There's a wonderful pizza place just down the road. So many wonderful things. Georgetown is lovely. Schools are great. A lot of good things going on here. So we're going to head upstairs. Here's that catwalk views on the left side, which I'll show you. And when I don't pan around, I think I do on the way back. but you can see on the other side the entrance. But this is a beautiful view. And it's just such a lovely, it's got to be 22-foot ceilings. Here is the kids' study. Now, this could be amazing for homeschool needs, for, whatever, hobby room, rec room. You have a kid with a drum set. Guilty. I'm a drummer by trade. Enjoy music quite a bit. And yeah, just a great room for anything you need there. Bedrooms are all reasonably sized, excellent sized bedrooms. Really nothing to be desired that's not already provided in these rooms. Just they do a great job. I mean, even the ceilings are good height, a lot of wonderful offerings. Now, the pricing on this, as I mentioned, there is a lot of negotiation. I'm going to have the price in the subject line or the title for the video, and I'll have some more information below. But just know right now, with incentives and all the wonderful things, guys, it's never been better having a realtor to go in and negotiate for you, because builders have never been more willing to negotiate than they are right now. I'm telling you, they have a lot of inventory on the ground. They have a lot of shadow inventory, which means they have inventory they haven't even listed yet. It's backlog, and they want to sell. I was in one of the communities the other day talking with one of the sales reps, and when I was talking to them, the VP of sales called and said, I want you to take, if someone offers 50 grand under the current list price, I want you to take it immediately. And I was like, I don't know if I was supposed to hear that call, but she was like, nope, you need to hear it. Everybody needs to hear it. So they're trying to negotiate. And guys, we are in tune. I am in tune with all of the value and sales and all the deals, because this is our world. Like, I live this. So I'm going to know if you have a particular need, we can take you to communities that have it. So here is a little kind of bar station. And then around here is the second living room upstairs. And how great is this space, guys? This is just lovely. Now, this room does have a finish with the, I think, 5.1 surround. So there's a lot of, it's not surround, but it's in-ceiling speakers up top. So a lot of audio and visual components to that space. It's really nice. So coming back down the stairs here, we're going to head... I believe I went outside after this, but bear with me as we go through. But I do love that landing over the front door entrance there. It's a cool little bump out, really provides a lot more of the three-dimensional feel. And again, here is that office. I wanted to take you into the study. This is the adult study downstairs. And look at those built-ins, all neutral, raw wood finish. Just love it. Did a great job on those sconces. I had a good friend who was a contractor. Always called them sconches. Not a sconch. Anyway, so lovely space there. Really, really great use of space. So we're going to head through there. What a massive and beautifully oversized island. And it's just a gorgeous courts. And look what they did back here. Just a lovely back patio space. Great use of space. Not too big, not too small. Just did a really good job. And of course, they have a beautiful landscaping out here with your fire pit extended out with the walkway. Just a great job. And on the other side over there is the Denton, which is another Coventry Nautilus community, which I will walk through with you here momentarily. So we're going to check that out here. I'm going to head back inside, and we're just going to make our way back to the front of the house. Guys, thank you so much for taking time. We've been doing this now. I've been doing this for 13 years. I think we have almost 200 5-star reviews online. We are experts at helping folks transition in from other counties. We just closed another person who came in from South Carolina not long ago, California, Colorado. It's just amazing. I've got another gentleman who's coming in from Arizona soon, and we're going to take excellent care of them. And it's just really a beautiful opportunity to get plugged in. We know all the deals, and we know how to get you connected to the home you're looking for. So YouTube's going to make a recommendation here momentarily. Do me a favor, click one of those, enjoy the channel. Feel free to explore. We're going to have some playlists available for you. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching. We greatly appreciate you guys. My name is Keith Duble, Faith Family Home. We'll catch you guys on the next one.